Hi guys, Alina is here, and today I come at you bare face, and I want to share something super exciting with you. I just got back from the company convention, and I have clearly no voice, so excuse that, but I'll do my best to share something awesome with you. So as you probably know, Monat has just launched a brand new skincare line, which will blow your socks off. I was really skeptical when they rolled out skincare. I was like, what is it going to be? Is it going to be good? Is it going to be good enough? Is it going to be the same as shampoos? Because you all know I love my shampoos and my hair care. So I was like, I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. I was super excited, but at the same time, I was like, what if it's not as good as other lines out there? There's so many good luxury lines out there. But the key thing is that the chemicals that most lines use are really actually bad for your skin and for your body, because those chemicals tend to build up in our bodies, right? So they have done something nobody has ever done before, which they came up with a naturally based skincare line which actually works and is anti-aging. So I'm going to show you some of the products, and I'm going to demonstrate them for you, how exactly to use them, what my first impressions are. I actually used them yesterday, and I can't believe how amazing my skin felt after that. So I'm just going to show you a few. And there's new branding, there's new packaging, everything is beautiful, rose gold. And if you can see, I love rose gold. Who doesn't love rose gold? Like, show me one person that does not love rose gold. But they also have separated the collections in two different lines. So one is called Be Gentle, and it's basically more for dry to very sensitive skin. And the other line is called Be Balanced. And this is more for combination to normal skin. So both lines have been designed to cater to all the different skin types and age groups. So you can absolutely use anti-aging products when you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and obviously 50s and after. I wish somebody told me that when I was in my 20s, because that was not really good for my skin. Now I'm dealing with all of this goodness when I'm in my 30s. So I'm super excited for this skincare line, because for the longest time, you guys, I could not find something that actually really worked and I loved. With this product line, I tried them yesterday and I was blown away. Like, I was blown away, because they smell amazing, they feel amazing, your skin feels amazing after, and you almost feel like it's instantly lifted, and the color seems to be brighter instantly. It just feels very different from everything I have ever tried, and trust me, I've tried so many different skincare lines. So with no further ado, let's just try the products. So first of all, we're going to start by using the creamy cleanser. So for my skin, I'm more on the drier side, so today I'm going to be using the Be Gentle regimen. So these products are not going to have any junk in them, like most things out there. And what I also like is that these products actually launched simultaneously in Canada, UK, and the States, which says that these products are actually catering to highest European standards. So we're going to be using this cleanser, and I'm just going to use a tiny bit. This is like literally enough, because the products are concentrated just like our hair care. And what you're going to do, you're just going to go in circular motions, and obviously my face was wet prior, and just cleanse your skin as you normally would. So that already instantly feels so much better. So I have washed it once. Now I'll actually repeat the same exact step second time, because it's important to cleanse your skin twice, just like your hair. You're cleaning your scalp twice, we're cleaning our face twice. So you're going to do the exact same step twice. After you've done that, because I've already washed my face twice with this, I'm going to apply this very refined scrub. And you guys, this product absolutely smells amazing. It looks like this. It's almost like jelly-like consistency. What you're going to do, you're going to use this spatula and you're going to scoop it out. Now that I have some on the spatula, now I'm going to rub this onto my skin. And you can use it two ways. So first way you're going to be using it is basically like any scrub. You're going to apply it in circular motions, scrub it, and wash it off. But there is another way you could be using it. You could actually leave it on for a few minutes for this scrub to almost turn into a face mask. Why is it important to exfoliate our face? I'll explain why. Because all the dead skin cells that are sitting on the surface of your skin, they actually do not let any moisture or hydration or nutrients to penetrate deep into your skin cells. So what is happening is basically that barrier that the dead skin cells create, they're not letting anything in or out. So basically you can be applying gold elixir on top of your skin, but it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to just sit on the surface. So this is important. So what you're going to do now, you're just going to leave it on for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to wash it off. Okay, so now that I have washed everything off, my skin feels just amazing. So clean, so fresh. So now we're going to continue with the Skin Revitalizing Essence. This is not a toner. This is not something that you have used before. So how we're going to apply it? You don't need too much of this. You're going to basically use your fingers. So I'm going to use a little bit, just like a few drops on my fingers. And I'm just going to gently dab it onto my skin. It's going to hydrate. It's going to refresh your skin. When we're actually getting older, we're losing that natural moisture and that natural hydration. So we need to replenish all of that. So next step is obviously my favorite step. Oh my gosh, this thing is going to change your skincare game. And this is called the Rewind Age Control Nectar. This thing, I instantly call this thing liquid Botox, but naturally based, which never happens, you guys, never happens. I'm going to take a little bit, just a tiny little thing, and I'm just going to rub it into my face. And this is the most luxurious thing you're going to apply to your face, you guys. This feels like silk. Your skin is going to feel like silk. And normally you would apply it at nighttime, before you go to bed, and it's just going to hydrate, nourish, and repair your skin from within. And okay, the next step would be the Eye Smooth Nourishing Cream, and this product comes with this rose gold roller slash spatula. So you're going to use the spatula end to scoop it out. And you just need, like with creams, you just need a tiny bit. You don't need much. So that's basically all I'm going to be using. So this cream is going to last you a really long time. Okay, so now I'm going to just take it and gently apply it first and then dab it with my finger. Same thing on the other eye. And just wait for it to absorb. So we're just going to stimulate the blood flow by just gently patting. Then we're going to take this roller and gently, oh gosh, you guys, this is the most amazing thing, because this roller is cold and it just makes your dark circles, puffiness, everything just disappears. You guys, this is just amazing. And the final step, we're going to be using the Be Gentle Nourishing Moisturizer. So it looks like this. Again, rose gold everything. And again, it comes with a spatula. So do not just use your fingers to take the product. Use your spatula, and I'm just going to take a little bit. And you can use this morning and night as the last step in your skincare routine. So this is it, you guys. I am blown away by the skincare line. I could instantly see that the complexion changes within a few minutes of applying the full line, especially using the serum. So it looks brighter, the skin looks more plump, feels more hydrated and nourished. So hope this video somewhat helped you guys, and I really am excited for you to try it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.